Hi guys, welcome back once more, and today we want to look at instantaneous velocity or acceleration. So we have a problem on instantaneous velocity, and let's do justice to it. Now we are being asked to calculate the instantaneous velocity at 5 seconds of a rocket undergoing uniformly accelerated motion if the position is given by S is equal to 5t plus 4t squared. Okay, so what is instantaneous velocity or speed? Instantaneous velocity or speed is that velocity which is measured at an instant. Therefore, for any given time, the velocity you get at that point is called the instantaneous velocity or speed. And it is mathematically written as V is equal to ds over dt. So we are actually going to perform differentiation in physics. So let's go ahead. All right, now, so our instantaneous velocity V will be, we are differentiating our x. So what is our x given to us here? Our x is, we are taking the differential of 5t plus 4t squared over dt. Now, guys, when we differentiate 5t, when you differentiate 5t, you have 5. Because from the rules of the differentiation, we know that when you have something like 2x, you simply put 1, because this is raised to power 1, you take away 1. So this becomes 2x raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So this becomes 2 times 1, which is 2. So the same thing happens here. T here, you know this t is raised to the power of 1. When you subtract 1 from this, it becomes 0. So t raised to power 0 is 1. 5 times t is 5. Now plus, now the same thing happens here. This 2, which is the power of t, you take away 1 from it. Now, when you take away 1 from it, it's remaining 1. Then you repeat the value that you have there at the back. Sorry, that is the same thing here. You repeat it here 1. So this, when you do this, this becomes 2 times 4. 2 times 4 will be what? 8t. So this becomes the answer. Don't worry, I will explain it further in the next video when I will be teaching differentiation. So we are now left with V is equal to 5 plus 8t. Now, but in the question, we were given the time. They say, what is the instantaneous velocity at what? 5 seconds. So we will go on to fixing the value. V, therefore, will be 5 plus 8 into brackets 5. So our final answer will be 5 plus 8 times 5 is what? 40. So this will be 45 seconds V. So for this rocket that is accelerating, undergoing a uniform acceleration, at 5 seconds, it has already covered 45 meters per second. So it's moving with this